come to know the catalyst function. How catalyst that increases the rate of reaction by reducing the path. That means it provides alternate pathway by reducing activation energy between reactants and products. This is said to be its application. What is the function or application of catalyst in a chemical reaction? Is it reduces activation energy between reactants and products by taking another pathway, alternate pathway. Okay. Hence, in the graph we have represented lowering the potential energy barrier. There, if catalyst is used, the energy barrier that becomes lowered. In case of this catalyst used, activation energy value is low. Without catalyst, activation energy is said to be high. What are its features of catalyst? Few of the features I have used here. Small amount of catalyst can catalyze a large amount of reactants. First point, it does not alter delta Z, that means gives free energy of a reaction. Second point, it helps in attaining the equilibrium. That equilibrium attains as well as it makes the reaction faster, indicates forward reaction is making faster, at the same time equal rate is to backward reaction. That means speed of both forward and backward they are becomes maintaining by using the catalyst. And next point is it catalyzes spontaneous reactions but not non-spontaneous reactions. Okay, so these are few of the features of catalyst. How this catalyst is affected in a chemical reaction. We have discussed important concept. May ask in 3 marks question or only the graph. In the graph, how to mention the reaction coordinate, that is very important. Now the last point I will come that collision theory. Already I have mentioned this collision theory. In this collision theory again I will take with the help of one kinetic gas theory like postulates. Gas molecules are solid molecules, they are said to be undergoing effective collisions. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ effective collisions ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, consider a reactants A plus B, they are giving the product as C, or you can take the products as like any of the product. Okay, so in this case collision frequency is there in the reactants. So what is that collision frequency? Collision frequency between the reactant molecules is important parameter, we can say, in collision theory. Number of collisions per second per unit volume. Of the reaction mixture. You can say collision frequency meaning is number of collisions per second per unit volume of the reaction mixture. Consider this a simple reaction A plus B giving a product. So according to rate expression, how can you represent this equation? Rate is equals to, I will take Z A B e raised to minus EA divided by RT. Rate is equals to Z A B e raised to minus EA divided by RT. Rate, you know that is rate of reaction, where this ZAB indicates collision frequency for reactants A and B. Z indicates collision frequency for reactants A and B, and this minus EA divided by RT indicates that is energy of fraction of molecules. Energy of fraction of molecules, either this is said to be greater than or equal to activation energy. So this is said to be the fraction of molecules they are having energies that must be greater than or equal to activation energy. Okay, for complex molecules or reactions, for complex molecules, how can you represent these collisions? Definitely, for complex molecules, those molecules they are said to be undergoing effective collisions. When these effective collisions are taking place, there are two conditions. One is said to be they must be having threshold energy or activation energy, and they must be having proper orientation. When effective collisions are taking place, molecules must be having sufficient threshold energy or activation energy. If this energy is not sufficient, there is no product formed or effective collisions are not possible. As well, second criteria is proper orientation. Between these two, one of them is not there, there is no effective collision takes place. Then what is the meaning of effective collisions? How can we define effective collisions? Effective collisions. The collisions in which molecules have sufficient kinetic energy, Kinetic energy meaning in this case is either threshold energy symbol is E naught or EA, and proper orientation. Making or breaking of bonds takes place. Such collisions are between making and breaking of bonds takes place between the molecules. Such collisions are effective collisions. Okay. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೊಲಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೊಲಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಫಿಸಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ either it is said to be threshold energy or activation energy. And proper orientation. ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, these two factors they are facilitating making or breaking of bonds between the molecules, that means reactants. Such collisions are said to be effective collisions. I will take best example for this, that is SN2 mechanism. Already we have discussed in the first chapter of organic chemistry. SN2 mechanism. That mechanism is taking place between alkyl halide, that means methyl bromide plus alkali OH. There two types of orientations are possible. The orientation is between CS3, CS3, CS3. This is Br. And next is said to be OH. If there is OH molecule is there, this is minus. Repulsion is taking place. Therefore, in this case, no product is formed. No product. Why? Improper orientation. In this case, what happens? Improper orientation. Yak improper? Molecules proper agi bond breaking matte making ana agilla. Yak agilla andre idu minus aiti, adukku repulsion aitu, ondukondu door hodu. Therefore, there is no possibility of product formation. Similar way, I will take another form. This is H, only H, not CS3. CS3 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು SN1 ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. H and H, CS3 Br. This is H and H. There is breaking of bond Br. This is said to be taking a proper orientation. One side formation of bond OH bond with carbon, another side breaking of Br from carbon. So this OH nucleus, that means OH minus, is said to be proper orientation with this molecule alkyl halide. Hence there is a possibility of product formation. That product is said to be CS3OH plus Br minus. Okay. Now in this case, or such complex molecules, they are undergoing effective collisions. One more factor is introduced. That factor is called as P, where this P is called as probability factor. Probability factor, or it is also called as steric factor. Steric factor. Now that rate expression becomes rate is equals to P into Z AB e raised to minus EA divided by RT, where P is called as probability factor and Z AB is said to be collision frequency for reactant A and B, and this factor is said to be the energies of fraction of molecules. Okay, so this is for a type of complex molecules. Only this is for, instead of P ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ how effective collisions are taking place, what are the criteria for effective collisions in order to form a product ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the criteria for effective collisions, criteria for effective collisions. There are two important criteria. One is said to be threshold energy or activation energy, or simply you can say that kinetic energy. Second is said to be you can take proper orientation. Okay. So I hope all the theory part we have concluded as far as possible using these videos, but there remains solving the problems. There are various problems are there, and also I will give few of the questions including the sum of the problems. They may be 1 marks questions, 2 marks questions and 3 marks questions. All of you have to solve those questions. Who are said to be in trouble solving those questions, please message or give the question with your WhatsApp. I will again solve those questions as far as possible quickly, but you don't uh, keep quiet just by seeing these videos and wasting your times. You have to perfect on these videos whatever the important points are there, and that helps for using this opportunity, valuable time for your study. Therefore, you have to note all these videos notes and important points, and I will send some of the questions. There are about 70 to 75 questions are there. You have to solve as far as possible. Just observe very keenly 2 times, 3 times, 4 times those videos. Then only you have to ask what is that question I am not understanding, please solve. But just only once you have observed those questions, don't ask how this question is solved. Careful about those questions. I am writing an exam. Adar salವಾಗಿ ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು you have to observe very keenly those questions and solve those problems or whatever the questions. And I will solve some more problems, extra problems in the next class. Okay.